Hey there, it's Leanne from Proud Pup Media. In today's video, well, I have a question for you. Have you ever gone and looked for your password in a field like this that's already populated with the dots that obscure your password and wondered, what the heck is my password? Well, I'm going to show you how you can find it very easily. Now, sometimes there is a little eye icon here that when you click, it will show you your password. And of course, if you use a password keeper, you can log in there. You can go to your saved passwords on your machine or your device, on your Mac rather, not on a mobile. And it just takes a few extra steps. So sometimes if you want to know what your password is so you can resave it, so you don't lose it and all that stuff, it's just such a pain. So this is a really simple way to get your password quick and get on with your day. So easy, easy. Watch this. Take your mouse and click and select that text field. Right click on your mouse. I've got my Mac mouse set up to right click to show this menu. So if you need to know how to do that, you can always send me an email. I can certainly set you up with that. Click Inspect. Now you'll see that there is a field already selected because you're hovering over the password field, right? So then find the area where it says type password, double click on password and replace that text with the word text. And voila, there's your password. Easy, right? All right, so that's it for today. If you have any ideas or suggestions for content, please let me know. I'm happy to help you with whatever it is that I can. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.